Hello again. I'm here, still walking. Yeah. Hello, good morning, afternoon, Philippines, around the world. Oh la la. How's your day? What are you doing right now at this moment? Maybe some of you are driving, eating, walking, or maybe in the resort or what? Or maybe eating in the restaurant or having snack, drinking coffee or iced coffee or milk tea or pearls. It's summertime, right? So it's good to be going out. Going out like me, I'm here in the park. Just to glimpse you. Here I am. Here. Look at that. Yeah. 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 It's good, right? Okay. It's kind of leaves. Look at this. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Mm. Mm. You see this tree? No, there's like grasses or roots on the trunk. Yeah. We mean to say free of pollution. If you can see that on the trees, it's free of pollution. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think this is all by now again. See you next vlog. Bye bye.